Hello everyone. Now we will be taking question number 5 of chapter 2. Question 5 is simplify. What does it mean? That you have to solve it. Okay. So before we will go for the simplification, look here. The denominator is negative. So what will you do? You will write it in the standard form. So this minus you will take it on the upper side. So remember this part, that always the denominator should be positive. So this step you have to follow in each and every type of question. If the denominator is negative, take that denominator on the upper side, or we can say we will be doing the standard form. Next step, take its LCM. So what would be the LCM? 10 would be the LCM, divide and multiply. So you know the concept very well. So this would be the step. Now what should be the next step? Open the bracket, plus multiply minus. So it will be minus, so minus 3 minus 12 plus 14 upon what it should be? 10. So in next step, what will you do? You will solve minus 3 and minus 12 together. So minus 3 and minus 12, it would be minus 15 plus 14 upon 10 upon 10. Now next step, minus 15 plus 14. So it would be minus 1 upon 10. So this is the simplification of first part. Come to the second part. In second part, the denominators are positive. So we will take the LCM straight away. So while taking the LCM, what would be the LCM? 10 and 13, and here this is only 8 is written. So you can write 8 upon 1. So the LCM would be 130. 130 would be the LCM. So what should be next step? Divide and multiply. So 13, if you will do the division, 13 you will get it. 13 multiply 5. 13 multiply 5. So 65, and since minus sign is there, so you will put minus sign. Now 130 divided by 13, 10, you would be getting 10. 10 multiply 6, that would be 60. Divide, so it would be 130. So 130 multiply 8. So what it should be? 130 multiply 8, 1040. What should be next step now? क्या होगा? You will add, you will solve these two together. आप इन दोनों को सॉल्व करेंगे. सो व्हाट इट शुड बी? प्लस, सिंस बोथ ऑफ देम आर प्लस in the plus sign, so you will add both of them together. So it would be plus 1100 upon 130. Now in next step, 1100 minus 64. 1100 minus 64, so it would be 1036 upon 130. Since simplification is written here, so आप जितना इसको further solve कर सकते हैं, you will solve it. So convert it in the lowest term. So with which number it goes? It will divide with 2. So if you will do the division, 518 and 130 divided by 2, you would be getting 65. 65. Okay. So the answer will be 1518 upon 65. अगर ये फर्दर कैंसिल होता है, then you will cancel it also. Similarly, in third part, all the denominators are positive, so you will take its LCM. So LCM would be 140, and then you will solve it further, and after solving it you would be getting this term. Now remember, here this is minus and this is minus, so you will solve these two together, minus 70 and minus 110, so it would be minus 180, and 180 and 21 you will solve it together. Now at the end you will go further. Okay, so 201 minus 180 you would be getting 21 upon 140, but ये अभी हमारा कैंसिल हो सकता है, so it goes with 7, so 7 into 7 से कैंसिल होगा, so it would be coming 3, and here it would be coming 20. So 3 upon 20 would be the answer. Similarly, in fourth part, look here, the denominator is negative. So what will you do? You will take this negative sign on the upper part, or we can say that make it in the standard form. And here also this negative sign you will take it on the upper side, and 1 minus is already there. So minus into minus, it would become plus. So there is no need to write plus here. Now the next step is very clear to all of you how to do it. Take its LCM. So LCM would be 72. You will get this terms. Now in next step, open the bracket, plus multiply minus minus, plus multiply minus minus. So what should be next step now? These two are negative, minus 63 and minus 6. So you will write it, you will solve these two together. So minus 69 and 10 plus 18. So it would be 28 upon 72. Now 28 minus 69, it would be minus 41 upon 72. And this term you cannot cancel with any number. So this would be the final answer. Now come to question number 6. Question 6 is, for x equal 1 upon 5, and y equal 3 by 7, verify that minus in the bracket x plus y equal minus x plus minus y. So again verification is written or verify is written. So what will you do? You have to take LHS and RHS separately. Now we will substitute these values of x and y here like this, and the rest of the step you know it very well how to do it. Take its LCM, so 7 plus 15. Solve this part first, 22 upon 35, and outside is minus sign. So if you will open the bracket, so it would be coming as minus 22 upon 35. Now come to the RHS, minus x. So it would be minus x value is 1 by 5. So minus 1 by 5 plus minus y. So minus 3 by 7. What should be next step? Take its LCM. So 35 would be the LCM. So minus 7, divide and multiply minus 15. Now plus multiply minus, you will solve it, you will open the bracket, plus multiply minus is minus 50, minus 7 minus 15 upon 35. So it would be coming as minus 22 upon 35. So what do you observe here? That LHS and RHS you are getting it as same. So what should be next step? Therefore LHS equal RHS hence verified. Hence verified. I hope this question is clear to all of you. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.